Hi guys, so welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll be creating a simple chatbot using OpenAI. So before we begin, let's ensure that OpenAI library is installed on our system. So simply enter this installed OpenAI. Just be sure that we have the library installed on our system. If it's not installed, to just make sure that the library is installed on our system. So if it's not installed, just wait for a while to be installed, depending on the speed of your network. Right, so let's clear this guy. So we import the library, import open, sorry, open AI. So open AI import open AI. Yeah. So we need the API key, right? So we'll go to that website and log in, go to platform. I think it's platform dot. Okay, let's go to this guy. Not to our view. Platform dot open ai.com/API, yeah, slash API keys. Yeah. So from here we can get our API key here. Yeah. So we can create a new API key and name it chatbot. So from here we generate the API key. Yeah, we copy this guy. So make sure you copy this guy because once you click on this done, you'll not have access to this key again. So we'll copy this guy. So for our program code, yeah. So what we'll do next is we'll store the key in a variable. You can give it any name. We're using this guy. So we have our API key. So paste that key you copied, right? Yeah. So paste the key we copied. Yeah, that's good. So next we'll define a function get GPT response. Now we'll pass in a parameter. Let's say user input, or let's say text. Let's say text. Now we have message equals to make message a dictionary. We have role. We have user content. Now this content will be the input text, right? If this guy is something, then our response will be equals to now our key dot chart dot completion dot create. So when we are creating, we create the messages equals to. So we enter the messages we defined earlier on, and next variable we entering is model. Yeah, under model we are using GPT 3.5 and we are using Turbo. Yeah, so now the next thing is to print our response. So let's print our response. Remember, the response will return several items, so we'll print it and see how we can get what we want. The response, right? So we run this program if underscore underscore name equals to underscore main underscore. You say we run this variable. Now, mind you, we are taking an input variable to be text, so we need to pass text. So we can just define our text here to be what can you do? What can you pass the text variable here? Pass the text variable here. So let's run this code and see. So if we run this code, let's see the result. Let's see the result of the code. Yeah, so we have a whole lot of data as our response. So we are interested in just the response that we get from on that, which is this content. So for us to get to this content now, this is under choices. So let's go through, let's go into the choices and see the result there. Now if we print this guy, let's see choice, let's see. If we print this guy, let's see what we have there. Still using the same text. Okay, so we have so we have our message here under content. So what we'll do is, and all of this thing is just in the first element. So what we'll do is we pick the first element, and this is under message, and under this message, and we have all of this guy. We have the content. So we have content. I think we are good to go now. So if we print this guy again, we get our output correctly. So we get our desired output. Uh, Quite slow. Okay, yeah. So fine. This is good. So what we'll do is we'll return this variable. We'll return this variable. So we'll comment out this line. We'll return this variable. We'll return this guy. Yeah. So and to create a function that can hold our chat. That can hold our chat. Now this is to be in a while loop to continue to run till we decide to stop running. So it should be user is equals to input. Now this we put this u tell user so the one entering the message. Now this should keep running till if we decide to quit it. If user let's say user input here. User input better. User input. This should run till user input is equals to exit. Then we print a statement telling print a statement saying goodbye. Goodbye and have a good day. Goodbye and have a great day. Then we'll break out of the loop to end the program. This is so we'll print the response. By printing the response, this will call this function and enter user input. Yeah, I think we are good. So here we don't have to delete all of this guy and just call it chat. Yeah, this is good. So yeah, we'll print the response here. Print, just print the response and say, can just say chat or just say response. Say response. RES our response. Let's use capital letter here. Our response should be response. Okay, I go to clear this guy. So if we run this code, we should get a better result. So we said hello. Yeah, okay, so I am making creating a chatbot. Is chatbot with open AI. So let's ask what am I creating? Let's see if you can remember what I told it earlier. It's taking too long to process this. What am I creating? Okay, no, it didn't say that. Okay, okay, let's give it another input variable. Let's say I am from Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria. So let's say where am I from? Okay, yeah, so it couldn't remember our previous conversation. We'll add some few lines of code to help it remember our previous conversation. So to do that, we have history is equals to an empty. So we append the message to it. History dot append message. So here, change this guy to history. Change this guy to history. Then append the response. History dot append. So we append this response without the content. So we append the whole of the input prompt to it. So once we append this guy, we should be sure to get a perfect test. So let's clear this guy. Let's clear this guy. Let's run this code all over again. Now, the aim of doing this is to help you to understand our previous conversation. So I said I am from Nigeria. So let's say where am I from again? Where am I from? Let's ask a question mark. Okay, still cannot remember. Hmm, Okay. Okay, let me take another variable. I work at a unicorn group where I work. Yeah, okay, this is good. So I think it's working fine. You could remember our previous conversation. Yes, so all right, thank you guys. All right, so thank you, guys, and hope to see you again in my next tutorial. And have a great day. Bye.